Hi, welcome to this session of the tutorial. In this session, we are going to be looking at floats and clear in CSS. When you hear the word floats and when you hear the word clear in CSS, all they are just trying to tell us, all they do is that it is used to position an element to the left or to the right of a container. So let's say you have a container. This container contains some text, paragraph, so of course you expect to have text. Now in between this text you now have an image image they place this image. So with this, now if you save this, you're going to see that we have the text and the images in between the text. Let's say you want the image to move to the left of the text, sorry, to the left of the container. All you just need to do is just come here. Let's use some inline CSS this time around. So I just say style and I say floats and I float it to the left. So it's going to move to the left of the container and all other text is going to be wrapped around it. Now let's try and practicalize it with an this image is an inline element. Let's try and practicalize it with block elements. So let's try and create some divs. Let me call this box1 and just duplicate it and this will be box2, this will be box2, this will be box3. And if I save now, see, but let me just comment this out for now. Let me just comment it so that we see it in action. So we come to our CSS. Don't forget that our CSS has been linked with this. I come to our CSS and I want to style the box with class box, and I just give it some width of 100 pixel, height of 100 pixel, and I also have background color of red. So if I save it, okay, let me come and attach the class to each of the box. So I attach class to each of the box. So of course I should definitely apply some border, but let's see how this works first. So if I save this now, I need to come and refresh because we work on the CSS now. We have the box, so let me add some border. I just say 1 pixel, the size solid and black is fine. So we have this box now. So we can see that they are all block element, meaning that the next one start from the next line. So if I wanted to float all to the same position, all I just need to do is just come here and I apply float. I select so that all of them will be on the same line. So because all of them are now floating to the left of the container, which is the body. Now let's see, and I have some paragraph. Just do some lorem here, duplicate this, maybe 2. If I save it now, you see that even the paragraph, they are wrapped around this. So let's say I don't want that to occur. All I just need to do is just give this a class, of maybe paragraph, then I copy that class. We see clear in action now. So I'll just come here, call this class, and I don't want it to also float with that. All I just need to do is just say clear, and I clear the left. Let's refresh. You can see that it definitely does not follow the flow that the previous elements are taking with float and clear. So floats moved, while clear is used to control how you want it to flow. It's like if you don't want some element to follow in line, then you tell them to clear. That means they should come to the next line.